I'm going to show you guys how we make 2 months worth of homemade dog food. Okay, I'm going to be making homemade dog food. You may have seen my video in the past where I made affordable raw dog food. Kind of stopped doing that. It's a lot of work. I still want my dog to eat whole foods as much as possible, but this is just easier to cook it and store it long term. We can make roughly a month's worth of food in one go. So this is the most affordable and economical way that we found to make dog food. Okay, as far as the ingredients go, the staples are always some potatoes, which is like a filler, some mixed vegetables, and chicken. The chicken we get is bulk chicken from your local bulk store. We get this from Sam's. I like to use the thigh. I think that we were using the breast, but the thigh has more connective tissue and fat and things like that it seems like it's better. Oh, and then another staple is liver, because it's super affordable. Western loves the liver. And then we'll add other stuff. Like during the summertime, we've got extra squash and zucchini, so we'll cut up squash and zucchini. We have some frozen pumpkin that I'm gonna put in there because the pumpkin's supposed to be really good for their digestive system. And then I throw some wild Alaskan pollock oil as well. Doesn't look too appetizing, but I like to put the vegetables in now so they don't get like super mushy. Potato masher works really well to make this more even and consistent when you go to store it in your containers. We do still supplement dog food that's bought from Chewy, and occasionally they will send us these cool little gifts. This is fermented turmeric that we'll add into the homemade dog food that we made just to change it up, and they seem to enjoy it. Okay, we got it all done. 3 full batches. This is actually probably going to last closer to 2 months. And I know there's probably people out there that think we're crazy for doing all of this, but we love our animals and we want them to live a vital, happy life. I mean, imagine if you were to just eat gray kibbles, because that's what they see, gray kibbles. Little gray kibbles every day of your life. That sucks. We want to give them some joy too, because they provide us so much joy and love. Honestly, we did this for like really cheap. The liver, the chicken, the mixed vegetables, and the potatoes, that's like $30, man. The pack of livers are $3 a piece, and then we get the bulk chicken thighs from Sam's. I'll have to look up the price, but I bet it's like $30 or $40 to last 2 months. In addition to the kibble, I mean, it makes the kibble go further, and I think it's a net positive overall. So say what you will, I'm going to continue doing this. This is how we do it, and maybe it shows other people that they can provide their dogs some good, healthy alternative meals as well. I hope you guys have enjoyed this and you have a great, wonderful evening and fall.